Welcome to the screencast where I'm going to show you on the new Google Sites how to embed a My Map that you created in your Google Drive. So the first part of this is making sure, if you plan to put this on a site, that anyone that goes to that site can see the map. So here I am in my map where I mapped some locations. I mapped this volcano, I mapped a plate boundary line here, and this map I want to put onto my site. The first thing to do is at the map, so you have to go into your Google Drive and find the map, open it up. In the share settings, so I'm going to click right here on share. Right now, any map that you make by default is private, so only you can see it or people that it's directly shared with can see it. You can change that right here. So instead of private, I'm going to click on change, and I'm going to choose anyone with the link, and I'm going to leave this as can view. This way, when I put this on my site, anyone that goes to my site will just be able to see the map. If you don't do this step, viewers of your site will just see a box that says they're not authorized to see the map. So you got to make sure you set your sharing rights first. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hit done. Now I'm going to go over to my Google site. So wherever you have your Google site stored, if it's a new Google site, it is in your Google Drive. You're going to go to the page. So here I am on the page where I want to put the My Map right here. To do that, I have to use the insert menu over here. So I'm on the insert menu of choices. And if I go down here, here's the choice for map. So I'm going to choose insert map. This will by default just show a generic map. And you can drop place marks and things like that. You can build a little quick map here if you wanted to, but for a more detailed My Map, you have to click that you've already created. You want to click here on My Maps. So I'm going to go to My Maps, and I'm going to look through all the different ones I've created, and this is the one that I want. And so I'm going to click on that so it's checked, hit select, and this will put it in as just a square, and you'll see it momentarily pop up. Now you also probably want to adjust the size of this, or you can adjust the size depending on what you plan to do. Maybe you do want to just leave this here and you want to put some text over here, or maybe you want this to stretch and fill the width of the page. Or, that's kind of narrow. Maybe you want to click here and drag down and make this a little bit bigger. So you can choose how that works, and now that is embedded on your page. And if I go to my preview in my new Google site, I can see that this is what it'll look like for the audience. The page will load, and then up comes the map. That is how you embed a My Map that you've created into the new Google Sites. Thanks for watching.